All right, young scientists, this is the Professor's World Trivia Edition. Introducing your host, the Professor.
Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of the Professor's World Trivia. I am the Professor. It appears I need to change my outfit for the proper occasion. All right, much better. Boom, baby. Our contestant is eager and ready to showcase their smarts. Let's meet our brave participant. Joining us from his laboratory, we have Dr. Toodles.
Wait, what? I thought this was a cooking show. I was going to be making my famous banana bread.
Nope, this is a trivia show. Each question you get right, you get a prize.
Did you say a prize? Sounds tempting. Okay, fine, count me in.
Excellent. Good to hear. Now let's get to your first question. Question number 1. Which dinosaur is known for having 3 horns on its face? A. Velociraptor. B. Stegosaurus. C. Triceratops. You have 10 seconds to answer.
Okay, I am not really a paleontologist. Can I phone a friend?
No, that's a different game show.
I think I'll go with, Triceratops. Because it has the word tri, which means 3.
You guessed correctly. Now let's see what your grand prize is.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats because it's time to reveal our first prize for the Professor's World Trivia. A spectacular dino fossil dig kit. This incredible kit is jam-packed with everything a budding paleontologist needs for a roaring adventure back in time. From fossilized treasures to excavation tools, this kit has it all. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as you unearth the mysteries of the prehistoric world right in your own backyard. Get your brushes ready because you're about to dig up some dynamite surprises.
Excellent, excellent. Wow, what a very cool prize. And now, folks, let's dig a little deeper into the Earth's mysteries with our next question. What do we call the scientific study of rocks, minerals, and the processes that shape the Earth's surface? A. Astronomy. B. Geology. C. Kinesiology. You have 10 seconds to answer.
Wait a minute. I think I remember something about this one. Let's go with geology. B.
Correct again. Congratulations, you win another grand prize.
Step into the luminous world of the glow in the Dark Crystal Lab. This kit is your gateway to a dazzling adventure where you'll uncover the secrets of crystal formation while basking in their mesmerizing glow. With this kit, you'll embark on a journey of discovery, growing your own vibrant crystals that illuminate the darkness. So, grab your lab coat and prepare to illuminate your world with the magic of glowing crystals.
Wow, super cool. Getting one of those glow-in-the-dark crystal kits looks like a bright idea. What do you know? We have hit our all-or-nothing round. The rules are simple for this special round. You get the question right, you will walk away with all of our grand prizes.
Yes, woohoo!
But if you get the question wrong, you get nothing. All the prizes and even the ones that you won will be taken away from you. You will leave with nothing.
Oh my goodness, that seems a little extreme, so much pressure.
But before we give you the question, let's show you the grand prize, or should I say prizes, if you answer this next question correctly.
All right, fellow agents, let's dive into the covert world of spy gadgets and gizmos. Picture this. The Spy Kit is your ultimate toolkit for undercover missions, equipped with all the essentials for top-secret espionage. From invisible ink pens to UV lights, periscopes, and decoder wheels, this kit is your ticket to becoming the ultimate secret agent. With this arsenal at your disposal, you'll be able to gather intelligence, crack codes, and uncover mysteries like a true spy extraordinaire. But wait, that's not all. Alongside your spy adventures, dive into the realm of learning with our Think Stretch summer workbooks. Designed to keep young minds sharp during the summer break, these workbooks are packed with engaging math, reading, and writing activities. Complete them, and you'll earn a shiny gold medal to showcase your academic prowess. It's the perfect blend of fun and education to make your summer shine even brighter. Gee, I wish I had that when I was in school.
All right, here is your all-or-nothing question. Which American-based company specializes in helping students retain knowledge during summer break? A. Thought Stretch. B. Brain stretch. Or C. Think stretch.
Oh, wow. One of those are correct?
Yes, you got 6 seconds to guess.
I'll go with B. Brain stretch.
Is that your final answer, Dr. Toodles?
Yes, there is no way it's the other ones.
Oh no, it looks like that is incorrect. And unfortunately, you lose all the...
I never been a fan of cheating, but I really don't want to lose out on getting all those wonderful prizes. You might have not noticed, but this entire time, I have been wearing my time-traveling watch. This time-traveling watch allows me to not only freeze time, but it also allows me to travel to the future and the past. Let's go back in time and get the answer correct.
Yes, you got 6 seconds to guess.
Let's go with A. Thought stretch, I guess.
Is that your final answer, Dr. Toodles?
Yes, it has to be that one.
Oh no, it looks like that is incorrect.
Oh, come on. Okay, one more time.
Yes, you got 6 seconds to guess.
Well, I guess that leaves me with C. Think stretch.
Is that your final answer, Dr. Toodles?
Just a lucky guess, but yes.
Oh my goodness. It appears a wormhole has appeared right next to Dr. Toodles.
This is not good. Oh no.
It appears Dr. Toodles has just been vacuumed into a wormhole. I tried warning him about messing with the time-space continuum. Let's cut to commercial or something.
All right, folks, let's talk wormholes, the ultimate cosmic shortcut for time travelers. Imagine space as a cosmic highway, but instead of lanes, we've got wormholes. These nifty tunnels that can bend and twist through the fabric of space-time itself.
Okay, that's enough of that. Since Dr. Toodles took an unexpected journey through the time tunnel, he won't be claiming any prizes anytime soon. Luckily, all the top-tier prizes, including the STEM kits and workbooks, are up for grabs at thinkstretch.com. Looks like we are all winners today. Well, except for Dr. Toodles.
Oh boy, I am in big trouble. This is not good. I wonder where I am. I see a dense jungle, not a car in sight. Oh no, what was that?